The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. A temporary foreign mercenary position has been eliminated by high-precision weapons of the Russian aerospace forces towards Zaporozhye. The attack has resulted in the elimination of over 160 militants. The enemy attempted to launch an offensive by 3 battalion tactical groups, 1 tank battalion and a National Guard battalion from western Ukraine towards Sukhanovo, Petikhatki, Sadok, Ishchenko, Ruskinskoye, Karlo-Marksovskoye and Malaya Seydi-Menucha in Kherson region. All the attacks by the Ukrainian armed forces have been repelled. More than 240 Ukrainian servicemen, 12 tanks, 14 armored combat vehicles, 8 vehicles and 4 artillery pieces have been destroyed by Russian units. 54 artillery units at firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 174 areas have been hit by operational, tactical and dummy aviation, missile forces and artillery. 4 munition depots have been eliminated near Grigorovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Uspenovka in Zaporozhye region, Novaya Kamenka in Kherson region, and Nikolaev. A signal node of the Ukrainian group of troops has been destroyed near Vyshchaya Solonaya in Kharkov region. 1 Ukrainian MiG-29 aircraft has been shot down by the Russian Aerospace Forces fighter aircraft near Chapaevka in Zaporozhye region. Air defense means destroyed 12 unmanned aerial vehicles, including 1 Bayraktar TB2 near Novy Buk in Nikolaev region, Ruskinskoye, Vysokoye, Karlo-Marksovskoye, Charivnoye in Kherson region, Ivanovka, Yasnoye, Zelený Gai and Yevgenovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Berestovoye in Kharkov region and Novoyegorovka in Lugansk People's Republic. 21 shells of the US HIMARS multiple launch rocket system were shot down near Ilovaisk in Donetsk People's Republic, Novaya Kakhovka, Nikolskoye and Kakhovskaya hydroelectric power station, as well as a Tochka-U ballistic missile near Chervony Mayak in Kherson region. In total, 316 airplanes and 158 helicopters, 2,176 unmanned aerial vehicles, 379 air defense missile systems, 5,494 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 866 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,457 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 6,395 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Thank you.